Hey, my dears! Welcome to the Grammar Podcast. Put the seatbelt on and let's dive in.
Hello there! Today, we are doing something really exciting. We're adding a super tool to your English toolbox, and that tool is the word can. Now, it's a small word, but trust me, it is incredibly strong. I am going to speak very slowly and very clearly so you understand absolutely everything. Okay, let's dive into this. Here is our visual roadmap so you know exactly what to expect step by step. Number 1, meet the word can. Number 2, talking about your skills. Number 3, asking for help or permission. Number 4, building sentences with can. And finally, number 5, 3 important grammar rules. Section 1, meet the word can, adding power to your actions. We are adding a brand new building block to your English vocabulary right now. So what exactly is can? Well, simply put, can is a helper word. It joins an action word to give it a very specific meaning. Basically, it gives you the power to do something. Section 2, talking about your skills, what you have the power to do. This is how we use our new helper word in everyday life to talk about your skills, your powers, and your abilities. Let's read this sentence together. Very, very slowly. Notice the bright yellow highlight. He can drive. This shows us that he has the absolute power to drive a car. Now, let's look at an example about you. You have a great power. Listen closely. I can speak English. You see, this helper word works for lots of different people. Here is our first example. They can swim. And our next one. She can cook dinner. Section 3. Asking for help or permission. Getting what you need. Now we are moving to our next practical skill, using our helper word to ask if we are allowed to do something or to politely request assistance. And this brilliantly illustrates how we ask for permission. Can I open the window? We also use it to ask for help. And, this is an essential request for every single day. Let's read it slowly together. Can you help me, please? If you need information, or maybe you're just feeling a little lost, this is the absolutely perfect way to ask for directions. Let's read it slowly. Can you tell me where the library is? Section 4, building sentences with can. The simple formula. Let's move to and see how this builds our sentence structure. Making sentences with can follows a simple 3-step formula. Step 1, who is doing the action? Words like I, you, or he. Step 2, our special helper word can. And step 3, the action word, like swim or read. So we build it like this. I can swim. And here is a secret. The helper word can is very special because it never, ever changes for anybody. It is always just can. Notice this clean table. There are 3 types of sentences. First, the positive sentence. This is for when you have the power. He can drive. Next, the negative sentence. This is for when you do not have the power. I cannot swim. In everyday speaking, we usually use the short form, can't. We can't eat meat. And finally, the question structure. Can you read this? You can also combine can with question words. Words like where, how, or what. This helps you get lots more information. Where can I buy a ticket? Section 5, 3 important grammar rules. How to keep your sentences perfect. Let's focus on some simple safety rules to avoid those common beginner mistakes. Now, what's really interesting about this slide is the no to rule. I will say this very slowly. The correct way is I can swim. The incorrect way is adding the word to. Never say I can to swim. Never ever put the word to after can. Next up is the no S rule. Like I said, can is a special word. It never gets an S at the end. The correct sentence is she can
sing. The incorrect sentence is she cans sings. Remember, absolutely no S. Finally, the question rule. So the crucial point is this. To make a question, can always moves to the very front. For a normal statement, we say, you can help. To change it to a question, can just jumps right to the front. Can you help?
We have learned so much together in this explainer. You now have a fantastic new tool for your English toolbox. And I want to leave you with this final provocative question. What can you do today with your new English helper word? I really encourage you to go out and confidently use your new tool in everyday life. Talk about your skills, ask a question. You can absolutely do it. Thank you so much for learning with me today. Keep practicing, and I will see you next time.
If you like this video, write in the comments, subscribe to the channel, give us a like, and share the video with your friends.
And if you'd like to practice more, click the link up here to jump into the next English lesson.